Hello, this is Candace with another episode of the Courage to Save podcast. We thank you for showing up, for downloading this episode, and look forward to sharing an amazing episode with you. Hello, welcome again. This is Candace. Hey, I wanted to talk to you today about OSHA. Excuse me for cutting that off real quick, but I want to talk to you about OSHA. Well, who is OSHA, Candace? All right, so remember, it takes courage to save a life, including your own. And OSHA is a part of that saving a life part. So, OSHA, many of you have probably already know, but it's not a who, but actually it's what. OSHA is the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. So it is an important part of workplace safety, and serves a crucial role in making sure that you and your counterparts are safe, especially if you are working in a construction site, in a hospital, any place where it is going to be a lot of complex parts moving around. OSHA is absolutely important and essential. So let's talk about it. In the hustle and bustle of daily work, safety might sometimes be taken for granted, right? Yet millions of workers across the United States, a safe working environment is paramount. This is where the OSHA, or Occupational Safety and Health Administration, steps in, playing a crucial or critical role in ensuring that every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. So, we're going to explore the importance of OSHA and its functions, as well as the impact it has on the workplace safety. I remember when I was younger, when we would hear or I heard about people who died at work, and what the family just got like a watch and a certificate for that person who died doing what just providing for their family. And so the United States, thank God, actually decided that, hey, that was not sufficient. And so in 1970, OSHA was established. And it is a federal agency dedicated to ensuring safe and healthful working conditions for workers by setting and enforcing standards, and by providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. Its mission is clear: to prevent work-related injuries, illnesses, and deaths. So in a nutshell, want to make sure you go home to your family safely after a hard day's work. The key functions of OSHA is setting standards. They set enforceable standards that employers must follow to ensure the safety and health of their workers. These standards cover a wide range of hazards, from chemical exposures to fall protection. Another one is enforcement. OSHA conducts inspections and investigations to ensure compliance with its standards. These inspections can be triggered by workplace incidents, complaints, or as part of routine checks. Training and education is another key function of OSHA. It provides training, education, and assistance to workers and employers. This includes creating awareness about workplace hazards and preventive measures. Assistance programs such as voluntary protection programs, which promote effective worksite based safety and health. And lastly, research and innovation. Through the National Institute of Occupational Health and Safety, or NIOSH, OSHA conducts research to develop innovative solutions to workplace safety challenges. So what's the impact of OSHA on workplace safety? So I'm going to break it down using numbers. So just if you hear me count, that's what I'm going to be using. Number one, reduction in workplace injuries and fatalities. Since its inception, OSHA has played a significant role in reducing the number of workplace injuries and fatalities. According to data, workplace fatalities have decreased by more than 60%, and occupational injury and illness rates have dropped by 40%. Number two, improved safety standards. OSHA's standards have set a benchmark for workplace safety. Employers are now more aware of their hazards and are proactive in implementing safety measures in protecting their workers. Number three, empowerment of workers. OSHA empowers workers by providing them with the knowledge and resources to recognize hazards and protect themselves. Workers have the right to a safe workplace and can file complaints without fear of retaliation. I want to say that again. So this is for empowerment of workers. OSHA empowers workers by providing them with the knowledge and resources to recognize hazards and protect themselves. Workers have the right to a safe workplace and can file complaints without fear of retaliation. And I know that many people before, I'm going to say, did not have that recourse. It was, if you said anything, you risk the risk being fired. But since OSHA has stepped in 1970 again, these are some things. This has been put in place for workers to make sure that they're safe and that they do not fear losing their jobs because they are not safe and they don't have anyone to share it with. So, yeah. Number four, economic benefits. A safer workplace translates to fewer accidents, which means lower costs associated with medical care, legal fees, and loss of productivity. This ultimately benefits both employers and employees. So here's some success stories. The real world impact of OSHA. So we have construction industry. OSHA's focus on fall protection has significantly reduced fatalities and injuries in the construction industry. Through rigorous enforcement and education, OSHA has helped create safer job sites for construction workers. The healthcare sector. Their guidelines on blood-borne pathogens have drastically reduced the risk of healthcare workers contracting serious diseases. Training and proper use of personal protective equipment, or PPEs, have been pivotal in this success. The manufacturing industry. OSHA's standards for machine guarding and hazardous chemical handling have prevented countless injuries and deaths. Regular inspections and safety audits ensure compliance and continual improvement. Moving forward, the future of workplace safety. While significant progress has been made, there is still work to be done. The evolving nature of work with new industries and technologies presents ongoing challenges and opportunities for OSHA. Ensuring the safety of workers in emerging sectors, addressing mental health in the workplace, and adapting to the digital transformation are key areas of focus. So what? I said OSHA. I'm not talking about OSHA. I'm talking about OSHA. OSHA's role in safeguarding health and safety of American workers cannot be overstated. From setting standards to enforcing them, providing education to fostering innovation. OSHA's comprehensive approach ensures that safety remains a priority. As we continue to navigate new challenges in the workplace, OSHA's mission is still the same and remains as crucial as ever to ensure that every worker in every job is provided with a safe and healthy work environment. For more information on OSHA standards, training programs, or to report workplace hazard, I encourage you to visit www.osha.gov. Remember that a safe working place is a better working place. I'm going to say that again. Remember that a safer workplace is a better workplace. And it takes courage to save a life, including your own. We also are CCAT or safety compliance awareness trainers with healthcare providers. So if you are for healthcare providers rather, so if you or someone you know needs training in that regard, please give us a call or contact us at www.couragetosavecpr.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a safe and amazing day.